What does tsvarakadenga mean? Tsvarakadenga. Tsvarakadenga. It's time to learn a word that not a lot of people use. A beautiful word which you will no doubt be using a lot from today. It also sounds beautiful. Tsvarakadenga. Tsvarakadenga. This beautiful sounding word means an extremely beautiful female. So, next time you see a tsvarakadenga, be sure to tap into your growing vocabulary to make her smile. Do you want to expand your Shona language vocabulary? SARURA Kids would love to help. When you take any of our Shona language learning courses, you'll be automatically enrolled into a community of Shona language learners. Take the time to discover and to learn these new Shona phrases with us and ask us about any terms that you find in your travels. Find the details on sarurakids.com today.